Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from NMWatch and we are back with the full review of this awesome Baltany military quartz chronograph model number S205045, right? So there's also another model that has a different model name, which is a much simpler version. This one came with these 3 subdials, which means that it is using the Seiko VK67 movement, and the other version comes with a 2 subdials, so that one might be using VK61 or 63, I just can't remember. But that one came with an A-type dial, this one came with this B-type dial, and of course being a chronograph, can we call this a pilot's chronograph, or you know, pilot's watch with a chronograph, or chronograph pilot? I'm not really sure, but yeah, still awesome looking, very busy dial, and yeah, I just love the looks of it. And this is available for you on sale on AliExpress for about $139. You might get a little bit more discount if you put in all the discount codes that is available, but of course I will leave a few affiliated links in the video description below should you want to get yourself one of these and at the same time help the channel. Anyways, quick dimension check for this particular piece: 39mm in diameter, a 12mm thickness, lug to lug is 46.5, and I think lug width is 20mm. It came on a leather strap which is in black, and I have no idea where I put it, I just can't remember, so I put it on this combo, right? Combo strap. Top is canvas, I think, and at the back we have this FKM rubber, which is very cool looking in my opinion, and I think it'll just give that watch the strap that it deserves, right? Okay, so of course bit blasted finishing on all the surfaces that you see here. So now you just can't talk about the finishing because it is bit blasted, so you just can't see if this finishing is nice or not. But yeah, still it is okay, not that bad. There's nothing to shout about, but nothing to complain here. And yeah, of course when you do this bit blasted finishing, once it got scratched, it will leave a quite an ugly mark, which is not to my liking, in my opinion at least. Right, at the case back, I still have this sticker on because yeah, I might be planning to move this thing along. My bad. I'm thinking of selling this, but yeah, still, if you guys want to get yourself want to buy this thing from me, yeah, if you guys do live in Malaysia, so do let me know in the comment section below. Anyways, quick note, screwed down crown here, screwed down pusher, screwed down pusher, screw down crown. So of course, being a quartz watch, you don't really have to adjust the time, so I'm not going to be adjusting the time because yeah, it is doing just fine. But you still see that when you push this top button here, okay, so we push this top button here, we can start the chronograph, and this has this second hand subdial on the 6 o'clock, and this is the 12-hour counter, and this is the 30 minutes counter. So I'm gonna be letting the second hands move, so you can see that this is a Mecha Quartz movement, so the chronograph hands does looks like it is an automatic, chronograph, which it looks cool, right? The dial again, matte black dial with that Arabic numerals in mimicking the pilot B-type style chronograph, right? Or is it B dial? But with a chronograph complications. Yeah, it looks cool, but yeah, some mentioned that they didn't like this truncated 0 here, and of course truncated 5 there, which for me is okay, I don't really mind it. And of course having a this date wheel in white does make it a bit off for me. I might want to see it in black date wheel with a white date, which for me might look better, but yeah, we'll never know. Let's just hope Baltany releases that particular version. Well, yeah, we'll see. Right, a combination of this white loom with this 4 patina loom, which is in my opinion looks cool. And this 4 patina loom is also available on the hands, but not on the chronograph hands. And yeah, that's kind of annoying, right? I just can't remember whether this subdial hands have loom or not, but generally if you see it in white, it will glow blue. If you see it in this 4 patina loom, it will glow in green, which is, you know, it looks really nice, right? The combination. Okay, so what else? Yeah, it's not really anything to write home about, because it's just a simple grab and go watch, right? Whenever I want, I don't really have the time to adjust my watches, my mechanical watches. I just grab this and put it on the wrist, and of course when I'm using it on this rubber strap, FKM rubber strap, I can use it. I can go the dish. I wash the dishes. I just can't be bothered taking it off whenever I want to, you know, wash my hands when I was taking the wudu or the prayer, when I go to prayer. So yeah, this is why I prefer quartz watches with a rubber band. And yeah, that is one of the most, you know, comfortable and easy to use go anywhere, do anything type of watch. And of course, having a sapphire crystal on the dial, on the top dial, really helps it to prevent it from any scratches whatsoever. So let's just stop the chronograph. You see I've stopped at this 48 seconds, and see that chronograph hand reset. 3 2 1. Are you guys ready? Boom. And yeah, that looks absolutely cool. Okay, anyway, so let's just screw the crown back in and see the lume, not the lume, the watch in much greater detail when we put on the macro lens. Okay, so yeah, you can see that the printing is okay. There's no smudges whatsoever, and yep, the hands are all, I think there's not really that, there's a bit of smudges on the hands, on the polished hands, but not that big of a deal in my opinion. So 139 bucks, you just can't expect anything more than that. So the printing is nice, yeah, as long as the printing is nice and the hands are executed well. The 60-minute counters are a bit the second chronograph hands just a smidge to the right, which I don't really mind it, to be completely honest with you guys. So at the back, the case finishing is your typical bit blasted finishing, so nothing special there. And the crown and the chronograph pushers are all nicely finished. Right, so let's take it off the okay, the brace, that's the lens set. So yep, let's put it on, but before we do that, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I'm wearing my other B-type dial. B-type dials. This is my Martin SN0030 Q2, the bronze case edition. And yeah, I just love how this thing patinate. Anyways, I think yeah, to compare these things, right, you can see that when you have this B dial, so you know that this hour ring is in the middle, and the printing is in the outer position. So on this particular watch, we don't have this inner ring, so which is, you know, that is why I'm a bit confused on how to categorize this watch. For now, let's just call it a pilot's military chronograph. All right, so yeah, nice. Okay, so this is how it looks on my 6.75 or inch wrist, or 17 centimeters in circumference. So that looks cool in my opinion. Let's just zoom out a bit and see how it looks like. Sorry about that. So yeah, it's not really too big, it's just nice, but I'm still wondering if I should get the San Martin version, because the San Martin version, the SN0120, I think it has a much smaller case at 37 mils. So I'm thinking of getting that in, but yeah, still, let's just quickly charge these watches, and both of them will give you guys quite a lot of performance in terms of lume. But of course, there's I think these watches are priced similarly, so 139, this one you can get for around $150. But yeah, still, if you guys like chronograph watches, yeah, this is one of the best option that you can get from Baltany. Yeah, of course the San Martin is no slouch, but this is a simple three-hander, this one is a chronograph. So yeah, you guys can decide which is the better watch for you. Right, in conclusion, should you get this particular piece during the AliExpress sales? Yes, if you guys like this style of watch. But if you want something that is cost less than $100 US, this is not the way to go. You should always go for the one of those Pagani design PD 170 something. So the Speedmaster thingy. And those, you can have quite a lot of options there. But still, if you guys like the style of this particular piece from Baltany, so yeah, this one is the busier one, the other one is the much more simpler one. Yeah, you can't go wrong with those two. So but yeah, still I really hope that you can get it for much cheaper price during the AliExpress sales. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.